Welcome to episode 18 of Tips to Take It Easy with Dr. Nikita Toshi. Today, let's talk about 5 ways to get rid of smelly armpits. We have all had those embarrassing moments when we forget to put on deodorant or just can't seem to get rid of the stench even after applying it. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven steps to help you get rid of smelly armpits for good. 1. Invest in high-quality deodorant. The first and most important step is to invest in high-quality deodorant. Choose a deodorant that is aluminum-free and made with natural ingredients. It's important to choose a deodorant rather than antiperspirant, as antiperspirants block your sweat glands, which can cause more odor. 2. Keep the armpits clean. It's important to keep your armpits clean and free of bacteria. This means taking a shower at least once a day and using soap to clean your armpits thoroughly. 3. Wear breathable fabrics. Wearing breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or rayon can help minimize sweating and reduce smelly armpits. 4. Antibacterial soap. You can talk to a dermatologist and use an appropriate antibacterial soap or lotion. Sometimes even the anti-acne face washes may help. Reduction in bacterial growth in your armpits will gradually reduce the unpleasant smell. 5. Change your diet. Your diet can have a big impact on your body odor. Reduce your intake of spicy foods, alcohol, caffeine, and processed foods. Instead, increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, and high-fiber foods. Stay hydrated. So, there you go. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll be on your way to saying goodbye to smelly armpits for good. And subscribe to our channel for your dose of happy and healthy content.